Okay, first you're going to want to start out by wrapping duct tape around your mannequin head in a circle. I don't show that part in the video, but that is what I did to get it to this point here. And then as you can see, now I'm just cutting off piece by piece, layering it so that it becomes thicker. And it's also good if you let it bunch up somewhat, if you get what I'm saying, because it creates volume. And so, yeah, I'm just going to continue to do that, layer, tear out small piece by piece, and just layer until it gets to the thickness and roundness that I want it. So I hope that you get the gist of this. And so from this point on, I'm just going to play background music. But like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if this helped. Let me know what I could do better. And I thank you so much for watching. Alright, lovely. Bye.